InMotion Adventure, the most powerful off-road electric unicycle, is hitting the market soon. The Adventure comes equipped with a powerful motor rated at 4,000 watts with a peak power of up to 9,000 watts, an astonishing wheel force of 850 newtons. The motor's spin speed can reach 110 kilometers an hour, providing the vehicle with robust power. With this, the Adventure effortlessly tackles inclines of up to 50 degrees, boasting over 50% better continuous climbing capability than other 16-inch electric unicycles of its kind. To ensure continuous and efficient power output, we have once again adopted the Raptor controller used in the V13, featuring a modular design and tidy wiring, along with motorcycle-grade waterproof connectors. The controller incorporates 42 MOSFETs and 18 capacitors, providing over 50% voltage margin and supporting a continuous current output of up to 450 amps, ensuring a long-lasting and stable high-power performance. With a powerful motor as its heart and a high-performance controller as its brain, our first off-road electric unicycle, the Adventure, not only boasts abundant power, but also guarantees safety and reliability. One of the biggest features of the Adventure is that even with a 90 kilogram rider performing a 1 meter drop, the Adventure will not bottom out. Firstly, we would like to introduce the adaptable leverage ratio and progressive shock suspension system. This technology allows every off-road enthusiast to enjoy the comfort of adaptable cushioning to changes in slope or when riding through rough terrain. Not only that, but you can also make fine adjustments on the progressive shock to suit your ride style. The Adventure comes with up to 8 levels of rebound dampening, 17 levels of compression dampening, as well as a spring preload adjustment knob. You can fine-tune the suspension to suit your weight and your ride style for the best dampening performance. To achieve the highest quality of suspension performance, we have designed the springs with a variable stiffness. The initial travel of the Adventure now has a spring stiffness of 600 pounds per inch, which means that it'll provide a softer dampening effect for mild bumps, resulting in a more comfortable riding experience. The later travel has a stiffness of 970 pounds per inch, ensuring that even on rough off-road terrains, sufficient rebound is guaranteed to prevent the wheel from bottoming out for a comfortable ride. This time, the InMotion team has adopted technology from the motorcycle industry, adding oil seals and using lower resistance bushings on the Adventure to prevent foreign objects and sand from entering, thereby enhancing the smoothness and performance of the suspension. I believe everyone now has a good understanding of the Adventure's suspension structure. However, if you still want to DIY your own suspension, no worries, Adventure can accommodate that. Find a shock size with an eye-to-eye length of 200mm and enjoy your custom ride. That's all about the suspension aspect of the Adventure.